To host a WordPress website on Namecheap, follow these steps. Purchase hosting. Log into your Namecheap account. Navigate to hosting and select a shared hosting plan like Stellar, Stellar Plus, or Stellar Business. Complete the purchase. Connect your domain. If you already have a domain with Namecheap, it will automatically be connected to your hosting. If using a domain from another provider, update its name servers to point to Namecheap. Access cPanel. After purchasing hosting, log into your Namecheap dashboard, click on Hosting List, and then go to cPanel for your domain. Install WordPress via Softaculous. In cPanel, scroll to the Software section and click on Softaculous Apps Installer. Click on the WordPress icon and then install. Choose your domain, set up your site title, admin username, password, and email. Choose your preferred language and click Install. Log into WordPress. After installation, you will get a link to your WordPress admin panel. Use the credentials you created to log in. Customize your website. Install themes, plugins, and start customizing your WordPress site.